A 6-month meal ticket one day. He said it won't do me no good. I've got to go away. I thanked him as my heart with joy and gratitude did bound. But when I reached the restaurant, the place had just burned down. Oh, I'm a Jonah. I'm a Jonah man. My family for many years will look on me and then shed